Yo, welcome back to the BSC4 channel. Wingnuts, what's going on? What's happening, man? Listen, thank you guys for checking out the channel. We are up in the junkyard. We just checking out some motors. I'm going to price this engine that's inside this daggone Bronco. This Bronco is torn apart. If I like trucks, this is bad. I mean, they got quarters for that. You know what the funny thing is? Like, the quarters for my F-150 are the same quarters that fit on a Bronco. Crazy, right? The bed part of it, it's the same thing. All right, check this out. All right, remember this look here. And we're gonna go over here. It's basically the same setup. It's kind of crazy, right? Wild, right? That's how that junk works out like that. But we're gonna check out the price of this, cause I know it has a 5.8. We'll see. It don't look like it's much of anything, but you know, we're gonna check the price and see what he's saying. Junkyards is not doing great around here, man. It's a doggy dog world out here right about now. I mean, like, it's like a wasteland, just like my favorite movie. I would love to do a video on me taking pieces and parts from every car and just build something. That's one of those things. Remember Junkyard Wars? I don't know if you guys ever watched Junkyard Wars, but that used to be one of my #1 favorite shows. I never try to miss that show at all. And that's what I kind of base my channel kinda off of that. That's why you see me do those or have crazy thoughts of doing things I should not do, like a Ford Torino that's rusted out. So we're just gonna go cruise around the whole yard and check out, get the prices on that engine there, and just cruise around and see what's out there and everything, man. And let's see what we can find. So we snuck a peek and we see a
79 Thunderbird. I love its luxurious cockpit.
She said cockpit. Talk to BST, baby. This has been in the cut back here for at least another 4 to 5 years, because I ain't been here since I had my 240. And this car been back here that long, so it actually probably around 8 years, and it was in good condition. Beetle here with all the little extra doodad parts. You know what I mean? Like, again, projects that never really jumped off. You know, that's just crazy to see that, man. And then they got my Expedition. What happened? I bet you the engine's in here. Wait a minute. Intake. Let's check to see what's in here. See? Look at that. Intake. Dormant piece. No, this is a 3-valve setup. Mine ain't a 3-valve. Huh. Yeah, okay. Hey, just, you know, one of those things that they just probably couldn't finish. Yep, it's just one of those things that you just can't get off the ground. It sucks, man. It's just how that works. Oh, this is what? This is a Ford Explorer, right? Yeah. They just cut that out, took that, and yo. This thing is rusty bad. They try to hide all the rust on this. Look at that. Oh gosh. That is horrible. I've seen this car somewhere. I don't remember where. This is horrible. A lot of Bondo on it. This is what I was trying to tell you guys. Like, you say, yo, buy a better looking car or whatever. I mean, on the East Coast, you don't know what the heck you're getting, because look at this. Look at that Bondo on that thing. They love to use Bondo around here. How you guys feel about this, man? I don't feel it at all, but you know, let me know how you guys feel. See this roof? We got roof issues. Not hard to fix, but we do have roof issues. See, they even had the steering wheel locked on there and everything. Yeah, I mean, not my cup of tea, I ain't gonna lie. Rather that goddamn Volkswagen Bug than this. Sad to say. Really, really, really sad to say. Rather that Volkswagen Bug than this car here. This ain't it. That is nice. And he ain't gotta do much of nothing.
That life gets to people.
So, dang, man. Yeah, old school, everything. So can't go really dig up into it, but. All right, Wingnuts, we are at another junkyard. One of my favorite junkyards on the road, but it's so expensive. Right here you see, you don't even know what this is, but you guys can kind of tell what it is. All right, so anyway, Ford Lightning, right? I know you guys are like, oh, dude, I know what you're about to show me. 100%, right there. Here's the deal. Now, I just talked to the guy. He said it's 1,000 miles on the motor. He got receipts for the horsepower receipts, everything. He told me, he said, you take this whole thing, $5,000. Now, if I had cash on hand, you know, that $5,000 would turn into, you know, other kind of money, which I wish that we could do this, you know what I mean? Now, this is just direct. Oh, man. Sucks. It sucks, man. You gotta pay to play. This car thing ain't for play. You gotta have the money on tap. I mean, look at it. This is number 3,660, you know, 3,678 out of 638, 6,000. God dang, I'm so all excited. Can't even, god dang, say something. You get what I'm saying? 3,678 out of 6,381 built. That's what I'm trying to say. God dang, that wasn't that hard. Crazy. I'm telling you, man, when you go out, sometimes you find some stuff, man. You can go in and find some stuff. Let me tell you, you can really do it, man. This is all good. Boom. Man, that's crazy. All right, Wingnuts, what the heck kind of car is this? I am really lost. Y'all gotta tell me what kind of joint is this, because this is pretty dope. Woo! Tell me that ain't old school. Dang. Yeah, Fred Flintstone though. Ain't got no floors in there. Yeah, I don't know what kind of car this is. Look at this. Crazy. And I'm telling you, man, we got some stuff, but they just rusty. It's like, this is like a project that just couldn't be finished. Man, that Lightning would be dope in, that Lightning motor would be dope inside of, let's say, an Expedition. You know what I mean? That would fit an Expedition so sweet if you could put one in there. I mean, you can. It'd just be, oh my gosh. Don't know. And then some of these cars like this, you know, just sit there and rot. And then you go back here and there's another car that just sits back here and rot. The last time you guys seen it, it was clean. Look at it now. It's just gonna start rotting. It started to grow shrubbery. You know what I mean? That's just what happens around here. You know, like I was explaining to you guys, this car was all whole. It had a back window. This wasn't in there. That didn't go through it. The hood was down. All the parts in the front was still good. And, you know, yeah, this is, we just keep it moving. Man, I had to bring my behind home, man. That Lightning motor is tasty. I know you guys like, yo, go get it, put it in the Vic. Man, if I would get that motor, I wouldn't even put it in the Vic. I would get an Expedition, make the Expedition 5-speed or something like that. That'll be cool. Make it 2-wheel drive. You know what I'm saying? That'll be more tastier than putting in the Crown Vic. Because I've seen ones in Crown Vics, they weren't that fast. They weren't that amazing. It was just big for nothing to me. I don't know. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think about that. But like I said, man, oh, I didn't say. I got some plans that I'm trying to do. I'm not going to mention none of them because if I talk about it, it won't come in, you know, fruition. You know what I'm trying to say, man. So it won't come ahead. You know what I mean? So what I'm trying to do is really sit down and plan, prep, make a conscious decision, make a solid plan, and deal with whatever that comes with the solid plan. So I got to go out there and really pave the streets and make some goddamn money and fund this and do stuff for the house too, man. The house is really first, and that's what I'm really trying to really do 100%. Get the house right. You know what I mean? With the kids, everybody, get them right. Because, you know, I talk about getting parts for the car all the time, but really, I'll be trying to get the house right before I get the parts. So when you see me get parts for the car, I got the house right, whatever that may be. So that's what I'm going to do first, trying to get the house right. So by me saying I'm getting some parts, that means I'm getting the house right to go get some daggone. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Build Something TV, man. Hope you guys were enlightened in some kind of way, man. Click like and subscribe, please. If you would like to donate to the channel, click the link in the description below. But you know the routine. If you do not, man, me and you are still cool and we're friends, man. You just check out and support the video in a different way. And we'll see you guys on the next video, man. And thank you for checking with me and rolling with me to the junkyard. Let's talk about it, yo. Tell me what the heck that car was. I don't know what that car was. Tell me what that is. Please leave that in the description below. And also we talk about that 5.4 Lightning motor. All right? Later.